This 2021 K-Z Escape HATCH E20 is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used KZ is 23 feet 8 inches in length and features Sleep's 4, stove-top burner, carbon monoxide detector, awning, microwave, LP detector, auxiliary battery, leveling jacks, water heater, refrigerator, air conditioning, and 20 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2021 K-Z Escape HATCH E20 is 3,510 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.